Go in there with your mama.
Get out of here.
Go.
Get out.
Get in there with your mama right now.
Get out of
You want a whooping?
here. No.
You want a whooping?
No.
Alright, go in there with your mama.
No.
Tiara, go in there with your mama.
Okay.
Come on. Go. Here, get a spoon.
No, that.
What? Oh, grab a spoon.
That. Yes.
Stop. All you need is one. Now go. Go.
Okay. Yeah, my shirt.
Shut up.
Yeah. Mom.